What's going on, everybody? It is Logan with Socialverse back with another video. So after popular demand, we wanted to make a quick video for you guys, just going over and being inside of the SV SEO manager so you guys know how to use it properly, to use it for your benefit and rank your websites on Google. So here we have it. We're inside of a client's website inside of the SV SEO manager. So this is going to be the main dashboard that we're at. And the dashboard is going to have a couple different things. It's going to have welcome back, and it's just going to say your name, and then it's going to say keywords, completing SEO actions. And these are different actions that just come up that you need to do. You will see a couple different ones based on what you're doing. And the benefit is if you come into the settings icon, you can actually edit this layout, add different widgets and more. So essentially it will show you what can be placed in different areas and how you can do that. But overall, we have on the dashboard the keyword rankings. So for this specific website, we could see the keyword that we've entered and that we have set inside of the SV manager. For here, we can see the position that we're at, the search volume, the difficulty for it, as well as it tells us what position it's currently at. And then in green, it was what position it was at. And so at how many positions it moved up, excuse me. So here you can see this was position 4 and it moved up 9 positions. It was position 13 and so on. So this one is sitting at position 4 and it was position 5. This one is at 7 and it was at 18. It's moved up 11. So that's where you can show that. You can come in here and see average keyword rankings. So pretty much over a past couple months, you can actually come and see, hey, your rankings. So it was down here was 97th and now we're bumping up into 19th. So that's obviously a big difference. This will where any SEO actions that come up. So inside the SV SEO manager, there's something called SEO actions. And what this is it tells you what you need to be doing for your SEO rankings to start ranking higher. That will show up here. Once again, here are those SEO actions. So these are just the quick couple ones that it shows you here in the dashboard, website visits, website traffic. And once again, dashboard is just overall a snapshot of everything inside of the SV SEO manager all in one place right here. You can see how many Google business and more. The next thing you want to move into and going into each section specifically is your strategy. So you can come into here and build a keyword strategy. You can find new keywords. You can see what sort of keywords others are using. You can add your competitors in here. You can see your difficulty, your search volume, your source for your keywords. You can add different keywords, drop different keywords. Benefit of the SV SEO manager is our development team, if you click here, actually has a video going over this so you can learn more. Then we move into the keyword sitemap. So this is essentially tagging your keywords to different pages on your website. And what this helps it does is show Google, hey, this is the keyword that is assigned to that specific page. Then you can go on to content strategy. So with the SV SEO manager, we have a content builder. So you can come in here and discover and write new blog posts for your business or brand. Pretty much all you have to do is select a keyword. Once you have that keyword selected, it will automatically generate different content based on AI, on what people are searching, where, Google content ideas, popular videos you can make. All these are different questions and things that people search that you could write content on based on what people are searching for to rank. The benefit and the cool part is you can actually click on one of these. If you click it and add topic to scrapboard, what this does is it actually moves that piece of content into your content scrapboard. Using this content scrapboard, you can actually come in here and write AI blog posts essentially with those generated content ideas. So it does it all for you. All you're doing is picking and clicking a couple of different buttons inside of the SV SEO manager. So it's very cool. I recommend you guys trying it out sometime. And then after that, we have competitor analysis. And essentially all this is showing different competitors that you come in here and add. You can come in and add different competitors, and it just shows you essentially, hey, what they're doing, what their rankings are getting. Back to the SEO actions. If we jump into actions up here, this is where we can see all of the actions that we have for this upcoming month. For inside of the SV SEO manager for that specific website that you have set up. You can run different reports. You can see your types. You can filter it. This shows you different actions, and these will obviously change throughout the weeks and as you complete them. The cool part about this inside of the SV SEO manager is if you click on this right here, it'll actually open it up and it tells you what you need to do exactly. So it walks you through why is it important and what you need to do. Once you have done that, you come back to here and click update your listing. It'll rerun that and rescan your website, and then it'll update your SEO actions based on what you have or haven't done. And it'll tell you, hey, this wasn't complete or this was complete. So like I said, you can come in here and add all these different SEO actions into your notes to things to do. Once again, it tells you what you need to do, why it's important, and how to do it. So that's something that we recommend you guys doing. And that's the most important thing for just updating and managing your website, is just coming out and making sure all of these actions are done every single month. So you can come in here and actually order the action where our team will do it for you. You can complete the action, or you can hide it. If you don't want to do it and you want to skip it, you can just hide it. That is overall the actions here. If you click in here, you can get a help video again, once again, by our development team. In here is your local, it's your Google Business Profile Manager. So essentially, you can manage and update your Google Business Profile directly from the SV SEO Manager. So we can come in here and see this business's, specifically Google Business Profile. We can see the questions and answers. We can upload pictures. We can come in and see different reviews. So different reviews that are coming in. If there's any reviews that we need to respond to, it'll come up here. You'll see how many reviews we have. We can filter the reviews and much more. So pretty much you can manage all your reviews here. You can come into post. You can make new Google Business posts from here. Directories, local actions, which is things to do for your Google Business Profile. You can see your insights on here. So you can click in and see your insights for your Google Business Profile directly. So this is very cool because you can manage and update your Google Business Profile directly from inside the SV SEO Manager. And considering Google no longer allows you to do it from the Google Business Manager and you have to do it for the Google Search Profile or Google Maps, this is a much easier and a much cleaner UI to manage and do everything inside of the SV SEO Manager. So next, you can go into backlinks here, and you can see your backlinks. You can get backlink opportunities, which is essentially creating partnerships with other businesses and brands out there that will reach out to you and say, hey, I like your products or services. Let's trade backlinks. Let's put a backlink of your website on our website and vice versa. So you can come in here and build backlink opportunities through the competitor opportunities and journalist outreach, as well as you can see your backlink health check. Any backlinks that you have set up for your site will show up here. Overall, that's backlinks. And once again, backlinks are a great way to build SEO rapport and to get your website ranking. So next, we can jump into Academy. We can go traffic, keywords, or report builder. Inside of traffic, we can essentially see our website traffic. So this is just data that we've connected to Google Analytics, and we can essentially, hey, we can see all the website traffic. We've had 180 visitors roughly, 3.17 engagement rate. And pretty much if you hover over these, it tells you, hey, more about this, just so you can get more information and learn from it. Clicks, impressions, we can see the dates and how many numbers. We can see top cities, top countries, top referrals. In this example, this site was, the top referral was Google, so it was all SEO that brought it. You can come into keywords, so you can see your keyword trafficking. So for this example, it's mobile detailing, current, previous day, last week, what positions we're moving. So this pretty much shows us, hey, 27,000 people are searching for this. Last month, we moved up to one position to fourth position. So that's what we've got here. We can come in here and click it and view it. Once again, videos. And then we can come in and build a report for the end of the month and pretty much generate that report. And it tells us the snapshot of everything that's happened inside of the SV SEO Manager and our SEO throughout the process of working on our SEO through the SV SEO Manager. That pretty much generates a full report on everything that you've done, haven't done, your analytics, and more. The biggest thing that I want to mention here inside of the SV SEO Manager is this Academy. So you can actually get full access to our SEO Academy. I recommend, even if you are on Do It For You service, to check this out. So with this Academy, you can actually come in here and improve your SEO knowledge today. So it's always a good idea for you to know how things are working, what's being done, and all of that. So you can actually come in here and go to our Academy and watch all of these training videos that have been put together by our development team. So our development team has put together all these different resources and videos and guides for you guys to learn from, watch from, and overall just improve your knowledge around SEO so you could do it yourself using the SV SEO Manager. So once again, check out the Academy. But overall, that is the gist of the SV SEO Manager. If you guys have any questions on how to use it, if you want to start using it, or anything above, please drop them in the comments below. Until next time, we'll see you guys.